How's it, guys? So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of these phone holders. I mean, it can even be used for a GoPro. I do a lot of filming at work, so obviously I was holding it like this the whole time. So I was like, well, we need a more stable way of doing it, so decided to make one of these. It's just with a normal generic phone mount. 3D printed the brackets and the handles and then wrapped them. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, so what I've tried to do here in the design is try and keep it very simple, but also just try and make it durable, because I'm going to be using this at work in a garage. So basically what it is just a frame, a bottom bracket and then two handles. The handles thread in, I think just using a normal M6 bolt and then a captive nut. And then the phone's going to sit in the middle like this, so we can video it, so it's a bit more stable. And we're going to get one of these generic phone cable phone holders, and that will sit in the middle of the bracket just to hold the phone. And yeah, it's just going to make all the recording a lot more stable, and yeah, just upgrade the quality of the video basically. So yeah, I'm going to get into finishing the design, chuck it on the 3D printer, and then for the handles we got a special surprise for that, so I'll show you that later.
I said let go. I said let go.
Right, so here's the finished product. I've got this base bracket plate here, then the two handles, which I've used a bicycle grip that I had left over. I just wrapped them in that. And basically what's going to happen is these two will thread on here with, I think it's an M6 screw. And then yeah, your phone will just sit on a mount here, which I've got here. So it's just going to sit on that mount. And then also you can thread on, you know, your normal GoPro mount. So if you want to use a GoPro, put that on there as well. So yeah. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I'm really impressed on how the stabilizer worked out and came out at the end. I hope you enjoyed, so like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.